Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform a 6-stage test on the F-Interop platform. So in the video on the right corner you will see there is a small camera which you will see my setup for my test. For this demo it includes 3 modes, and on the left side it is the reference implementation mode, which is a standard compliant implementation. And on the right side, one is for sniffer, another one is called IoT implementation and test. So during this test, the IoT device and the reference implementation device will communicate each other with a protocol called F-Interop. So the sniffer will sense this packet and transfer it to the F-Interop platform. Then the platform will check whether this packet is standard compliant or not. Okay, first you need to go to this website, the F-Interop platform website, to register and have an account and log in. And then you will have the same page I'm showing right now. To start a new session, we just click the new test session button, and then there are different test suites we can choose for different protocols. For us, we are using 6-stage testing tool, and click next. Here we are choosing the testing tool version and the test cases. But for our case, test case will choose after the test session starts, so we're fine here. And just click Save Configuration and click Next. And here just click the Start button to start the session. You can see the session already started, and it brings us to this page. At the beginning of the one of the tests, at the beginning of the session, we need to choose one of the tests. In this demo, we are going to choose the 6P01 test, which is for the F-Interop protocol. So we just click OK, and we are going to perform it as an automated test. The automated test means after everything is set up, in some tests, for example the 6P01 we are doing, it requires the user to trigger some specific behaviors like transmit a 6P packet. So with the automated test, all those things were done by the platform. So as long as we give enough information to the platform, we don't need to touch anything. And we click OK. And here is the information we need to give to F-Interop, like what's the channel it is, what's the pin ID the network is using, and the MAC address for 2 nodes. The node indicates the reference implementation node, and the dagger root indicates the IoT node. So because this address is already in my setup address, so I don't need to change it. I just do validate. And here we need to download the agent to help the sniffer to transfer the packet to the platform. So you can download the agent from here. I already downloaded, so I validate. And then you need to install some dependencies to running the agent. I already installed them, so I just validate. And then we need to run it. Okay, so here is the folder. After you download the zip file of the agent and unzip, you will get the exactly same thing. Here I added one script to run the agent. As you can see, the script, you just go to the folder and running the command with different parameters. So the first one is what channel is used by the network, and then what's the serial port used by the 3 nodes. The sniffer, the node referred to reference implementation node, and the DAG root refer to IoT node. So for Linux, it will be something like /dev/dty/usb01. For Windows, it looks like it's a common port. And the last parameter is the AMQ URL. For each test session, you can find your URL from the info button on the GUI site. Just click it, and then you will find the AMQ URL here. So I'm just copy it and paste it here and save. Alright, done. Now I'm going to start the script by running it. I just found I already have one running, so I just close it for now and start it again. Alright, validate. It will ask what the board type I'm using. For me, I'm using OpenMode CT2538. I just validate. By that click, the platform will send a command to the agent to ask to flash the sniffer board with the sniffing image. So now it's doing that, and it's done. So back to the GUI side, we just click validate, and then the test will just run automatically. So in step 01, it just asks us to turn on the mode, which we are already turned on, and in the step 02, it's asked to send this 6p add command, which is triggered by the platform. It will give the command to the agent to ask the 6n node to do this. So, and in the step 03, it will check the 6p response for the 6p add and confirm the information is correct, which is containing a cell with slot offset equal 4 and channel offset equal 5. And in step 04, it will ask the 6n to send a 6p count request to the DAG root, which is IoT. And in step 05, it will check whether there is a 6p response and the return code is success and the count value is 1, which is just added by the 6p add command we sent before. So if all the information in the package is correct, the platform will give you a green firm verdict to show you passed the test. Otherwise, it will give you a red frame instead of green to show if this test failed, and give you some information or hint about why the test failed. So that's it. This is the test. Hopefully you're enjoying. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.